Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than most people expected. Just a few years ago, many experts believed AI would take decades to become powerful. But today, AI tools are already doing tasks that once required human workers. Writing articles, designing graphics, editing videos, creating marketing campaigns, and even helping companies make decisions. Some economists now believe that millions of jobs could change over the next decade. But here's something important to understand. AI is not just replacing jobs. It is transforming how work gets done. In many cases, AI tools are becoming assistants that help people work faster. But in other cases, entire tasks are becoming automated. In this video, we're going to explore 10 powerful AI tools that could replace certain jobs within the next 5 years. Some of these tools are already used by companies today. Others are improving so quickly that they could transform entire industries. And the final tool on this list might completely change how businesses operate. So make sure you watch until the end. Let's begin. Tool number 10 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most widely used AI tools in the world. Millions of people use it every day. It can answer questions, write essays, generate emails, create scripts, explain complicated topics, and even help with coding problems. For many office workers, tasks like writing emails or reports take a significant amount of time. AI assistants like ChatGPT can complete these tasks in seconds. Businesses are beginning to integrate AI chat systems into their workflows. Customer service teams can use AI to answer common questions. Marketing teams can use AI to generate ideas for campaigns. Content creators can use AI to brainstorm topics and outlines. However, ChatGPT still has limitations. It sometimes produces incorrect information, and complex decisions still require human judgment. But AI assistants will continue improving rapidly, which means many repetitive office tasks may become automated in the future. But the next AI tool is transforming the world of digital art. Tool number 9 is Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generation tool. It creates detailed artwork from simple text descriptions. You can type something like, "Futuristic robot walking through a neon city at night." Within seconds, the AI generates stunning digital images. Artists once spent hours or even days creating similar visuals. Now, AI can produce dozens of variations instantly. Companies are already using AI images for marketing materials, website graphics, book covers, social media content, and concept design. This technology could reduce the demand for certain types of design work. However, human creativity still plays a huge role. Designers who understand composition, branding, and storytelling will remain valuable, but their workflow will likely include AI tools. The next AI tool is transforming video production. Tool 8 is Runway ML. Runway ML allows creators to generate and edit videos using artificial intelligence. This technology can remove backgrounds automatically. It can generate visual effects. It can enhance footage. And it can even create short video clips from text prompts. In the past, creating these effects required advanced editing software, and professional video editors spent hours adjusting clips manually. AI video tools can automate many of these tasks. Marketing teams can produce video ads faster. Content creators can experiment with visual storytelling. And businesses can create promotional videos without massive budgets. But even with powerful AI tools, creativity still matters. Great videos still require ideas, storytelling, and vision. But the next AI tool could dramatically change the voiceover industry. Tool number 7 is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs creates extremely realistic AI voices. You simply paste a script, then choose a voice style. The AI generates narration that sounds almost human. This technology is already used in audiobooks, YouTube videos, educational content, and customer service systems. In the past, companies had to hire voice actors for narration. Now AI can generate high-quality voiceovers instantly. This could reduce demand for certain types of voiceover work. But professional voice actors may still thrive by offering unique performances. Some voice actors are even licensing their voices to AI platforms. This creates a completely new business model. But the next AI tool is transforming marketing content. Tool number 6 is Copy AI. Copy AI helps businesses generate marketing content quickly. Companies constantly need promotional text, advertisements, email campaigns, product descriptions, and social media captions. Traditionally, marketing teams spent hours writing and editing these materials. AI tools can now generate dozens of variations instantly. This dramatically speeds up the creative process. Businesses can test multiple marketing messages quickly. However, successful marketing still requires strategy. AI can generate ideas, but humans must decide which message connects with customers. But the next AI tool is transforming how people search for information. Tool number 5 is Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI combines artificial intelligence with internet search. Instead of displaying a list of links, it generates a direct answer, and it shows sources for the information. Researchers often spend hours reading multiple articles. AI research tools can summarize key insights instantly. Students can understand complex topics faster. Journalists can explore ideas more efficiently. Professionals can save time when gathering information. However, human critical thinking remains essential. AI summaries must still be verified and interpreted carefully. But the next AI tool is changing how people organize work. Tool number 4 is Notion AI. Notion AI acts like a digital assistant inside your workspace. It helps organize ideas, summarize documents, create meeting notes, and plan projects. Many professionals struggle with information overload. Emails, documents, meeting notes, task lists. AI tools can help organize and summarize this information quickly. This allows teams to focus on decisions instead of administration. But the next AI tool might completely change how presentations are created. Tool number 3 is Tome AI. Tome AI can generate entire presentations from a simple prompt. You type a topic. The AI creates slide structures, visual layouts, and supporting images. Students often spend hours building presentations. Business professionals do the same. AI tools can produce the foundation of a presentation within minutes. This saves huge amounts of preparation time. But the effectiveness of a presentation still depends on storytelling. Human insight remains extremely important. But the next AI tool is transforming video editing. Tool number 2 is Descript. Descript allows you to edit video like a document. When you upload a video, the software generates a transcript. If you delete a sentence from the transcript, the video removes that section automatically. This makes editing dramatically faster. Content creators can produce videos more efficiently. Businesses can edit podcasts, training videos, and marketing content easily. AI editing tools reduce the technical barriers of video production. But skilled editors still shape pacing, emotion, and storytelling. Now we reach the most powerful technology on this list. Tool number 1 is AI agents and autonomous systems. AI agents represent the next stage of artificial intelligence. Instead of responding to single prompts, these systems can perform entire workflows. They can research information, generate reports, send emails, analyze data, and complete tasks automatically. Imagine assigning a project to an AI system, then having it complete the work step by step. Many companies are experimenting with AI agents right now. If this technology improves as expected, it could transform many digital jobs. But humans will still play a crucial role. We will design systems, set goals, and supervise AI decision-making. Artificial intelligence is not simply eliminating jobs. It is changing how work is done. Throughout history, new technologies have always transformed industries. When computers appeared, many jobs changed. When the internet emerged, entire new careers were created. The same will happen with artificial intelligence. People who learn how to use AI tools today will have a major advantage. Instead of competing against AI, the smartest strategy is learning to work with it. The future will belong to people who combine human creativity with artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI content. And I'm curious, which AI tool from this list surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.